Guys, look at what we are trying today. It's the Ox or OXX cosmetic advent calendar. Some people call it Ox, some people call it OXX. Whatever you want. But we're trying it today, guys. Let's start, guys, but first click that subscribe button. I need to say that I was in a hunt for makeup advent calendars and they didn't have many right now. I went to Sephora. They honestly just had the Sephora one and I don't think it's worth it, so I'm not spending any money on that. No, thank you. So let's try this one. I need to say it's not a brand that I have used much. I haven't really liked it on the past, but we're going to give it a go today. This one was $22. A great present for those ones just starting with makeup, for your daughter, anything like that. But let's check it. Maybe I will get surprised. I really don't know what is coming here, so let's open it together. So as you can see, it's just 12 days. Better than nothing. And let's start with the first one. Sure what it is, that's weird. Let's open this. Oh, so exciting. I'm not sure what it is. It comes wrapped. Oh, it comes like that. So weird. I'm not going to say what I thought about this, but you might be able to read my mind. Ooh, an eyeshadow palette. Okay, let's try this one. It's brown and pinkish colors. Let's try them. This is clear pink. This is dark pink. And that's brown. Not bad. I'm going to apply it here and see how pigmented it is. Ooh, oh, actually, it's a pretty nice one. It's really nice. It's really pigmented. That's actually pretty nice. So, improv. Back in, and let's get day 2. Let's see what we have here. We'll wrap this well. Ooh, I think this is going to be a lipstick. Maybe? I don't know. It's actually mascara. I do have my mascara already on, but we'll try this one. Ooh. Not bad. Seems like something is happening there. Not bad. I'm being a bit messy, but I quite like it. I think it gave me a bit of length, which is great. Let's try next. Let's get number 3. Okay, number 3. Let's see what it is. Oops. Tiny package, I can see already. I don't know, maybe this one is a blush. Blush. Super pinkies and I like it pink. I have never tried their blushes, so let's see how it looks. I don't have anything at the moment, so let's get a little bit. I don't know how pigmented it is, but it looks quite a lot. Ooh, that is going to be really pigmented. I don't normally use powder blushes. I like liquid ones, but it's nice. I might have to start using them. Let's get number 4. So excited. What can it be? Let me know in the comments below what you guys think, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Your help is much appreciated. Let's see. Again, a tiny one. Ooh, sparkle. Look at this. Ooh, I don't really need the sparkles right now, but let's try it. I will just use a tiny bit on my eyes. Wow, that's a lot. I don't really want to be using it right now, but it's super beautiful. I will keep it for a special occasion. I know I can play a lot with that one, so honestly, great product. What's next? I don't know, but I want to know. Day 5, let's go. Let's see what else they can be giving us. Now I'm actually enjoying this brand, and I never did before. Let's see. Feels so weird. I really don't know what it is. Oh, we have shiny nail polish. I'm not going to be using it right now, but I will give it a go. Let's see. This is the biggest one, number 6. So what can it be there? Will be nice. It will have a palette, but I doubt it. Could be a perfume or something, but no. It's nothing big really there. I think we got scammed. It's so tiny. I mean, it was $22. Do you want to know what it is? A mini beauty blender. Why do they need to put this here? Like, It's the biggest box and the tiniest beauty blender. Like, why? I'm actually going to put a bit of concealer here and see if it blends. I don't know. Maybe for my niece to play? Not for me. It's too tiny for me. I don't think I will manage myself to use this one. Really disappointing, I have to say. Biggest box for nothing. Let's see number 7. We're half of it already, my goodness. I mean, we haven't gotten any lipstick, so at some point it has to come. Let's see. Ooh, could be a lipstick. I don't know what it is. Oh, an eyeliner. Really sharp, love that. Let's see how it looks. Ooh, that's pigmented. Let's see. I do like it, guys. Obviously, you don't know how long this is going to stay for, so I need to give it a go, you know. I need to have it for the whole day and see if they last or it just disappears. There is nothing that bothers me more than makeup that doesn't last. It's just so annoying. I don't even know why we spend the money on those kind of makeup. Like, when you go out and you spend 1 hour getting ready, you expect that makeup to last. And you know, there are ways to make it last, but overall, you know, I always go for long-lasting lipsticks, long-lasting eyeliner. I hate something that doesn't last, but it's not bad at all. Number 8. It's a bit bigger, so hopefully we get a bigger thing. Let's see. What do you think it is? We were waiting for this one, isn't it? It was missing. Smells good. Super buttery. It's kind of vanilla sense. Kind of brownish. It's kind of similar to the color of my lips, which is, you know, not the best, but I don't really enjoy lipsticks that have the similar color to my lips, but it will work really well in somebody else. Let's see number 9. We're almost in the end. Lip liner. We'll have an amazing if we get this one first, isn't it? Okay, let's try it. It looks like this. Pinkish. Let's try it. I don't think that both colors go together. I don't know if they were trying to do that, but I don't think they go together. At least it's not working on me. Number 10. So I hope they have left the best for last. This is well wrapped. Ugh, not bad for my nails. Thank you. That's appreciated. I needed it. So next. 11 and 12, guys. This is the end and I expect it to be big. So let's see. Number 11. I always loved advent calendars. When I was studying, my mom always will buy them. The chocolate ones. Oh gosh. I used to love that. I still love it. Guys. I was going to say I'm going home, but I'm already home, but I'm so disappointed. Do you want to know what it is? I mean, I should be doing this with my feet, but you know what it is. Just to help us painting our nails, but I know it can be useful, but really, I was hoping that you guys will have the best for last. At this point, I don't know if I want to open the 12th one. I don't want to get upset, but finger crossed. Hopefully, it's something amazing. So let's see. Ta-da-da! Look, before I open this one, I need to say something. Every single brand is making advent calendars this year, and honestly, you will never find anything below $100. So I'm really appreciative that brands like this one are making advent calendars that are actually affordable. So, you know, thanks for that. I'm really sure a lot of people will be looking for something that is kind of affordable at this time of the year. So thank you very much for doing this. Overall, even if I have not like a couple of products, you know, it's $22. What else could you expect? It's pretty good for $22, honestly. But let's open the last item. That's a lip gloss that maybe I should have used before. But let's see, it's super clear for me. My skin tone doesn't really like clear colors, but we will try. I'm sure though this color will be really beautiful in somebody else, but let's see. It's not really shining. A weird lip gloss. I don't know if I like it or I dislike it. Not sure. What do you guys think? Comment below, please. Let me know your thoughts in each product, and let me know if you want me to try any other advent calendars. because I will not say no. But that was everything for today. Overall, I love it. I think it's a great product and you can have quite a lot of fun with this advent calendar, so 100% recommend it for your daughter, somebody that is just starting with makeup, or for those ones that cannot really afford nothing else, which is going to be a lot of people this year. So that is my review. I hope you have enjoyed and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Living life every day, late at night.